How to fix no sound on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve sound issues on your Android device. First, check the volume buttons on the side of your phone and press volume up. Next, make sure your phone is not on silent or vibrate mode. Following that, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Now, check if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled and turn it off if it is. Moving forward, open the Settings application on your Android device. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration to access sound settings. In addition to that, check all volume sliders for ringtone, media, notifications, and system. Once you're on this page, make sure all volume levels are turned up and not muted. Subsequently, go back to Settings and tap on Apps. Moreover, find and tap on the app that has no sound issue. Afterwards, tap on Permissions and make sure microphone permissions are enabled if needed. Then, go back to Settings and scroll down to tap on System. Within this section, tap on Reset Options to access reset settings. Alternatively, tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth, or Reset App Preferences. Once you've selected Reset App Preferences, tap on Reset to restore default settings. Then, restart your Android device by pressing and holding the power button. Afterwards, tap on Restart to reboot your phone. Then, test your sound by playing media or making a call to confirm it's working. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you fix no sound on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.